today's advice. Alam mo, hindi mo ba nare-realize na ang layo na ng narating mo? Sobrang dami mo ng pinagdaanan. In fact, na pinagdaanan mo yon all by yourself. That's something to be proud of. Minsan napipil mo na walang improvement or progress yung mga ginagawa mo. Pero kahit gaano mang kabagal o kabilis yung progress, ang mahalaga, umuusad ka. This is just a quick reminder that you are doing a great job. And sobrang proud ako sa iyo. And I hope someday maging worth it lahat ng sacrifices mo at magbunga lahat ng paghihirap na na-experience mo. Kapit lang, Bax. It will be worth it. It will get better. I love you.